Hi, this is Arpit Naguriya from Tricentis. So today we are going to learn mobile UI automation with Tricentis Tosca. So the prerequisite of mobile UI automation is you have to install the mobile engine 3.0 in your machine with Tricentis Tosca, and also you have to connect your device via USB cable to your machine where Tricentis Tosca is installed. So basically you have to do one settings in your mobile. So you have to open your settings, go to developer options, then check your USB debugger is on or not. So basically this is the prerequisite which you have to done before mobile UI automation with Tricentis Tosca. So I'm switching to Tosca. So basically when you scan the application, you can find here one option, mobile 3.0. Just I'm click on it. So basically this is the scan window of mobile 3.0. So here you can select your device type, whether it is Android or iOS. For me it is Android, so I give it Android. You can specify your device name. For Android it is auto. For APM server, you can define your APM server, where it is hosted, it is like locally or server hosted. Here you can specify the website path, what website or app you want to scan. So for me, I'm scanning website, so I give the website path. I'm clicking on connect. So basically it is opening the scan window in the scan. So here you can find that the replicate screen is replicated on the scan window itself. If you go and click on start, you can find all the controls in the scan window itself. So these are the controls which is in the screen. So basically these are my modules which I scanned for the mobile UI automation, and this is my test case. In the test case level, you have to specify one configuration parameter, like browser is equals to Chrome Android. So I'm going to execute this test case. So now it is executing the test case. So now you can see that my test case got passed. Here also you can see that my test case got passed. So by this approach you can do mobile UI automation with Tricentis Tosca. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.